The recent comments made by the senior leader of the Congress party, Mr. Digvijay Singh, has sparked huge debate within the Congress party. Now let us first understand that what Digvijay Singh has actually stated. So Digvijay Singh on Saturday posted on his social media handle X with a picture that was from the year 1996, which was the oath-taking ceremony of the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Mr. Shankar Singh Waghela, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi could be seen sitting on the floor and L.K. Advani was sitting on the chair. Digvijay Singh wrote an entire post and also in fact stated that yahi sangathan ki shakti hai, Jai Siya Ram, and interestingly, he tagged the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi, and of course, leader of opposition and his very own leader, Rahul Gandhi. In a way, Digvijay Singh was trying to send a message that how a grassroots level worker who was first sitting on the ground, very much on the ground, becomes chief minister and then the prime minister. And this is what the power of an organization is. And this is what something the Congress should learn from the RSS. Not just that, but in another post, he first hailed the work of Rahul Gandhi and also in fact stated that the manner in which Rahul Gandhi picks up and speaks upon these socio-economic issues, they are bang on. But there are reforms that the Congress party needs, just as the Election Commission of India. And in fact, he also goes on to say that the problem is, it is not easy to convince Rahul Gandhi, that is the High Command, the top leadership of the Congress party. Now the question over here is that are the senior leaders of the Congress party upset with the High Command, because it is not just Digvijay Singh who has said that the Congress party should learn from RSS, or there is some kind of communication gap with the High Command. Congress, another senior leader of the Congress party, Shashi Tharoor, also in fact is in parallel lines so as to what Digvijay Singh has to say. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor goes on to say that discipline is something, is what the party, the Congress party should learn from RSS. Not just that, but he also in fact stated that yes, it is very important as well to strengthen the organization. Well, from Bharat Jodo Yatra to Vote Adhikar Yatra, Rahul Gandhi was able to gain quite a significant momentum, but failed to maintain the consistency and the organizational connect is what the senior leaders of the party believe. However, the statement made by senior leader of the Congress party, Digvijay Singh, has divided the Congress party and the leaders into two factions. Because on one hand, senior leaders like Salman Khurshid, Sachin Pilot, Shashi Tharoor goes on to say that yes, there's a need to strengthen the organization. Shashi Tharoor in fact also stated that yes, we should learn discipline. There is a need of discipline in the party as well, whereas there are other leaders like Pawan Khera, Supriya Srinath, who goes on to say that there's nothing as such to learn from RSS and Godse cannot teach Gandhi. There are some RSS as an organization who supported the killer of Mahatma Gandhi and they cannot teach us is what Pawan Khera and Supriya Srinath has said. Now that is why BJP is raising guns at the Congress party, questioning that there is a lot of confusion within the Congress party so as to what stand they have to take as far as the statement made by senior leader Digvijay Singh, because the faction believes that what he said is correct and is the need of the hour. And on the other hand, there's another faction who believes that there is no need to learn anything from the RSS because RSS spreads hatred just like Al-Qaeda spreads hatred. And this was the comparison, or I should rather say a parallel that was drawn by the Congress MP Manikam Tagore, who said that again, there's nothing as such to learn from RSS, rather RSS spreads hatred and it spreads hatred in the similar pattern just as Al-Qaeda. So to the extreme, he has compared RSS with a terror outfit that is Al-Qaeda, and that is why questions are being raised as to what is the stand of the Congress party and how actually will the grassroots level worker of the party will understand that what he has to learn from RSS. But viewers, I believe that it's not just about one statement being made by the veteran leader of the Congress party. It's more about, are the veteran leaders of the party upset with the Congress? Because if we see in Karnataka, it's Siddaramaiah versus DK Shivkumar. In Rajasthan, it's Ashok Gehlot versus Sachin Pilot. In Madhya Pradesh, it's Kamal Nath versus Digvijay Singh. In Chhattisgarh, in fact, it's Bhupesh Baghel versus T.S. Singh Dev. If we talk about Haryana, it's Bhupinder Huda versus Kumari Shelja. So again, the larger question over here is that is the rift within the senior leaders of a single state widening the gap of the Congress party top leadership, of the senior leaders with the high command? Well, from leaders like Jyotiraditya Scindia, RPN Singh, Jitin Prasad, and for that matter Gaurav Vallabh Pant, and all those leaders who have shifted their votes from the Congress party to the BJP have stated that the decision making is quite centralized in the Congress party and that their voices are unheard. But as of now, what is the need of the hour? The need of the hour, according to me, is that the rift that is going on within the states among the leadership in the Congress party should be solved in a smoother way rather than coming out on public platforms. And number two, the very important thing is that the country now needs a stronger and a better opposition that can ask tough questions to the government and hold them accountable on what is wrong, so that we could strengthen the democracy and become the voice of the people. With video journalist Neeraj, this is Tejri for NDTV.